What's going on? It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more well informed, make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications bell so you don't miss anything.
17-year-old Valerio Cattola is a young man with Down syndrome. He was on the beach in Lazio with his father when he suddenly heard the girls scream. They went to the sea to swim when a strong current pulled them. The girls were 10 and 14 years old, and they could not resist the big waves. The forces left them just a little more and they would drown. Then the guy decides to act without wasting time. The natural instinct to help others in difficult times is what every good person has. Unfortunately, we don't live in an ideal world, and therefore many people freeze in emergency situations or respond too late to ensure a successful outcome. On an Italian beach called Sabaudia, two sisters, 10 and 14 years old, were bathing on the beach when they suddenly found themselves fighting against these strong currents of the sea. Their mother, seeing the event, seeing her two daughters drowning in the water, ran desperately to save their lives without waiting for the rescuers' help. Join us to the end to find out the details. Find out the true history that all of Italy is proud of. The young man who had no problems with this is Valerio Cattola, a young Italian with Down syndrome. Recently, he was thanked for risking his life saving a girl who was drowning in the sea. He's rightfully glorified as the hero that he is. Valerio always loved to swim. After he improved his skills, the guy even participated in the Olympics. Once at a beach in Sabaudia, located in the province of Lazio, Italy, Valerio and his father enjoyed a great sunny day in the cool ocean. In one instant, everything was calm. In the next, they heard cries for help from two sisters, and at the age of 14 and the other only 10. A strong stream carried them to the sea. Valerio did not hesitate for a second. Instead, he threw himself into the sea with his father and rushed to the rescue. Soon, he reached the younger sister and completed the rescue maneuver that he'd learned in the courses. They screamed for help, and Valerio did not wait to help them. He and his father went into the water and went to the two children. The father helped the 14-year-old girl, and Valerio went to rescue the 10-year-old. It's not recommended that people try to be heroes in situations like this, but Valerio has been swimming since the age of 3 and has competed in the hope of going to the Paralympic Games. He's also received first aid training and knew what to do and how to react during the emergency. When Valerio brought the 10-year-old girl safe and sound to the sand, the mother took the daughter in her arms and could not even thank the hero. But his act did not go unnoticed. Instead, he pulled the girl to the beach, holding his head above the water. Meanwhile, his father did the same to his older sister. When they reached the beach, the rescuers took control of the situation. During the night, Valerio became a recognized hero. They wrote about him in more than one newspaper and magazine. When they were both on the beach, other lifeguards arrived, but Valerio and his father had already successfully saved the girls. This action made the young man and his father heroes and appeared in the press where many were moved by their story. He didn't stop for a minute before rushing to aid to the two sisters, who were desperate for his help. He deserves all praise, and it's not surprising that people call him a hero. The case happened during the summer holidays in Europe, and Valerio ended up in the newspapers, on TV programs, and was even greeted by ex-Prime Minister Matteo Renzi. He said Italy is proud of what the teenager did. The country's sports minister honored Valerio with the Champion of Italian Solidarity Award and a medal and commemorative plaque. Do you agree? Have you ever seen something like this with your own eyes? Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.